Look did they bring you something? Did Santa bring you something? What is this? Look. Santa came. And I think you guys were good this year. I think you were good because Santa brought, it looks like there's a bunch of toys in there. You ready to bring the bag down and see what Santa brought? You think you guys are good? You sit? Sit. Santa's watching. You want to spin? Spin, sit. Remy, sit. Spin. Spin, girls. Sit. Do you guys got colds? Oh, yes. You can spin. Spin. No? You ready to get your toys? If there are toys in there, let's go find out. You ready? Let's go find out. Come on, girls. Okay, girls, you ready? You ready? Go ahead, find out what's in the bag. Open the bag. Go in the bag, Taylor. You know how to do it. Go in the bag. You gonna find out? Find out what's in the bag. Remy, you got it. Oh, balls. Yeah, tennis balls. What else is in there, Remy? Taylor, get in there. Oh, Remy got a ball. Yay, Remy. What, it squeaks. Taylor, what you got? Oh, Taylor got a bone. All right, Taylor. What else, Rem? Go in that bag. Find out what else is in there. Go look in the bag, Remy. Remy, look in the bag. Look in the bag. There you go. You got it. You got it, Remy. Look in that bag. What else is in there? There's more toys. Taylor, there's more toys in the bag. Go in the bag, Rem. You gonna look in that bag? Go find out. What else is in the bag? What did Santa bring you?